Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about the Raycast iOS app. So this is just released and it has lots of good design details, and I just want to talk about all the minute design details here. So first of all, this is a good login screen. The logo is glowing, which is a very nice touch, and they have the standard buttons. It's good. Let's log in here and see how smooth it goes. And I'm clicking on the magic link. It's opening Raycast. Perfect. That's great. So this is probably the onboarding, which is great. So they went with the code layout, Raycast A. Perfect. I don't think Raycast on iOS is like a fully Spotlight replacement, because I don't think iOS allows people to replace Spotlight, but this is a very good take on like using AI in mobile. So yeah, I can stay dozens of models. This is great. Raycast nodes. Oh, you can swipe through here. That's great. Raycast nodes, of course, and there's many more. The swiping and the rotation on the back is great over here. Perfect. Let's click finish. Okay. Yeah. So the first thing I see is this main area with the background faded out for the empty state, which is great. And yeah, settings here, the majority of the space is with this Raycast logo, which is already like shimmering, which is also great. And everything else is maybe just the standard iOS menu items, which is great. That's the thing I always say, like 90% of your app should represent like look like other apps, but they 10% like this logo section, this section, so they should be unique to your app, so that the users are not very lost, and it gives a very good impression when you're first in. So the users won't be lost if it somewhat looks like other apps, but the users should also be amazed when they see this. But this is good. This kind of look like some other apps, but obviously they have their red background, the red gradients, everything, so it has some uniqueness to it, which is great. Yep, so this is good. All the settings page looks good. The background things looks good. Let's click edit home. Okay, you can edit and add things. Let me add notes. Okay, maybe create note. Open camera is good. I don't know, snippets. Create weekly note. That's good. Okay, so I added some things. Perfect. This looks good. What happens when I click create note? Perfect. Create weekly note. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, and probably you can change the area that you're using over here, and you can edit it also. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, and they have this push to talk feature. Oh, you should. Okay, let's do that. Oh, it's not available for Mac. That's okay. Let's just ask it a question. What can you do? This loading is great. Okay, this is same response. That's good. These icons are very cute over here. Yeah, so it's a very well-made app. Obviously, all the animations are spot on. It's not a very feature-filled app like the actual Raycast thing here, because this has like lots and lots of features, lots and lots of things. But this is not that much feature-filled, I'm guessing, because it fully revolves around AI right now, and lots of pro features. So yeah, that's where we are. And but the design is very good, everything else looks very good, and the app feels like it's easily usable. Yeah, good app. Probably design is like 10 out of 10. That's it for this video. Bye bye.